Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Coding with Prerana. Today's concept is classes and object. In Java, the classes and object are basic and very important features of OOP. The class is a blueprint which is used to create an object, and that object share all common properties and behavior. And the object is an instance of a class, and it represents the specific entity created from that class. For example, dog is a class, and the properties of a dog is a name, eye color, height, weight, and the Tommy is an object of that class. Java class is a blueprint that defines the data and behavior for that object. It groups related field and methods in a single unit. Memory for its member is allocated only when an object is created. The syntax of create a class is class name, variable declaration, method declaration, then public static void main, string args is the main method. In this main method, p, s, v and m is a small, then the s of a string is a capital, and then the a of args is a small. Then the body of the main method and class end. Then the Java object. An object is an instance of a class created to access its data and operations. Each object holds its own state. Syntax to create a Java object. Class name, object name is equal to new class name and parameters of that class name. For example, create a student class and object of that class. In src, right click on src, in new, then Java class, student.java, then variable declaration, int id, then string name. This is the variables of a student class, and then create a constructor or the data is given to the class, then I use the constructor. The constructor is the same, constructor name is the same as the class name, then pass the id and name. Then this parameter, this keyword is used to access or assign the value to the given variables. This dot id is equal to id, this dot name is equal to name. Then the given information is print or display to the user. Then the display method is used, void display. And then the system.out.println statement is used to print the methods data id in double quote id, then plus id. This id is the variables declared in the main, declared in the student class, and then double system.out.println, then print the name, double quote name, plus declaration of a variable name. Then is a next is a main method. How to write a main method? The public static void main. Public static void main, p is a small, s is a small, v and m is a small. Then in bracket string args, string s is a capital, then args. Then the create the object of a student class. How to create? Then syntax of a create the object of a class is a class name student, object name stud is equal to new class name student. In bracket pass the parameters to given in a constructor. Then one is the id and the name is Prerana. Then given information display to the user. Then stud.display method is called. Display method is called using the stud object. Then this is the output.